John at Refurb Kings. I've got a, what is it? LG G pad. It's like a 10.1 or some crazy number. You know, they're handing out numbers on these things like cars at this point. Anyway, hold on, let me see if I can get this thing to turn on. So it turns on, but I don't know if you can see it. The actual digitizer is cracked. There you can kind of see it. So what it is, the digitizer just doesn't work. Customer brought this in. We had to order the part because we don't keep these, unfortunately. Keep a lot of parts, but not for these. Anyway, this is before RefurbKings.com. Remember, you break it, we fix it. We're located at 1038 East New Circle Road, across the street from Sam's Club in beautiful Lexington, Kentucky, next to Car Stereo Warehouse. I don't know if they're as quite as beautiful as Lexington is, but hey, they're still our neighbors. We got love for them. Give us a call, 859-233-0754. Find us on the World Wide Web at www.refurbkings.com. We'll be back in a sec. Peace. This is John Humes with Refurb Kings on New Circle Road in Lexington, Kentucky. This is the LG G pad. I'm going to put a display on it. Had to separate the LCD. Had Loca glue. There's that thing. It's got the craziest screensaver on it. I have no idea what the password is, but anyway. This is John at Refurb Kings. www.refurbkings.com. You can call us at 859-233-0754. Remember, you break it, we fix it.